Dog?
Dogs?
I love dogs.
Dogs love you. You could be famous or a movie star. Your dog don't care. Or not even sure who you really are. Your dog don't care. You could be Plato or the Dalai Lama. You could be Oprah or Barack Obama, or the superhero in your private drama. Your dog don't care. You got it. You could be lost and not know where to go. Your dog don't care. You could be a director or the CEO. Your dog don't care. You could be white, you could be black, you could live in a mansion, you could live in a shack. You might have known better or you might have known Jack. Your dog don't care. Your dog could care less. All the silly things running around in your head are nothing to the doggy lying in your bed. He couldn't care less about what somebody said, if you scratch him on the belly and make sure that he is fed.
They ask you, like, what's your availability on Wednesdays? You're like, oh, I've got some extremely...
Whoa. I wrote that. Bow, wow, wow. Like Einstein, have a big IQ. Your dog don't care. Or be like the president and have no friggin' clue. Your dog don't care. You might be in the headlines causing lots of commotion. You might be calling home about your big promotion, or calling from a bar about your sad demotion. Your dog don't care. Your dog could care less about your business card, or if your name is hip or held in high regard. Don't care if you are hip or just a social canard. If you take him for a walk and let him out in the yard. You could be famous or a movie star. Your dog don't care. Or not even sure who you really are. Your dog don't care. You could be Plato or the Dalai Lama. You could be Oprah or Barack Obama, or the superhero in your private drama. Your dog don't care.